Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve. In this videos, we are going to do beauty box unboxing, and this time we are going to unbox ta-da! Ipsy beauty box for November. And let's open this up. Questions. Anybody still ordering beauty box? Is beauty box still the thing? Let me know down below. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see what I got in here this time. Oh yes, it is in November. Cool. So it gives you little descriptions, what's in here, I suppose. A lot of information. Okay, we're gonna just go right into the box, okay? So when you open it, it looks just like that. I like beauty box in the full size item rather than a sample size because I don't really use a sample, and then in the past I ordered this beauty box with all the little tiny sample. I end up with a lot of them I don't even use, totally wasting money. So anyway, let's check this out right now. It's by Yibu Beauty Blemishing Clearing Cleanser. It blended with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, so it's great for breakout skin or acne prone skin. Let me just smell the scent a little bit. Usually for acne skincare, they don't have a scent. It smells clean, like detergent clean. I don't know if I like the smell, but it smells like almost like a medicine-ish a little bit. So this product, it's blended with a certified organic cherry, lemon, and aloe juice. Oh, that's good. It leaves your skin hydrated and feel revitalizing and balancing the skin. So I definitely gonna give this a try. And this baby is $29. Rosie Jane Dose Travel Spray. And this is how many ounces is this? 10 ml. One thing I want to share with you that when you receive the item, you can actually go to the website and it will show you all the item in your box. And in the website will give you a description of each product so you know what the heck you order, right? So let's smell this. Oh, this smells good. It smells very warm, very holiday because the top note is a vanilla. Vanilla, it's very warm, calm, and soothing scent. So if you like vanilla, you may like this. And this baby right here retails $28. Okay, let's go to the next item. Okay, next one we want to take a look. It is the Violet Vase. It is the Disco Drip Eyeshadow Palette. Disco. Whoa, this palette is $43. Wow. And disco. Does it look like disco to you? I guess because of all the shimmery color. And I like that. When you look, see, when I look at color like this, if you're not very good at makeup, the easy color that you don't scoot up, it will be this one and this warmer purple color and this one, those two. I would stay with the blue and the green because if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna look like clowns. $43, wow. That's a lot of money. Okay, so next, let's check out next item. This is by Iconic London, and this is the Lift Luminous Bake Highlighter Powder Radiance. Let's take a look. Oh, I see. It is the highlighter shimmery color. Okay, $29. Wow, I'm getting a good deal here. The price is good. The next item is by Volition Beauty. This is their Similin Overnight Retinol Serum with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Similin is a white grape that grows in the France. Interesting. And this baby, $72? Whoa, that's expensive. Let's open this up right now. Kind of a very nice glass bottle right here. It is a 1.1 ounce. And let's open this. It's the dropper style. Let's see this. It goes on, there's no color. It doesn't really smell anything. It feels like once you apply, it feels slightly sticky a little bit, tackiness. But you know what, skincare sometimes take a moment to absorb in there. I also want to share with you that anytime we do demo on the back of the hand, the skin on the hand is much more thicker than the face. So it will take a little bit longer to absorb into the skin. Not bad. And then I like the idea of the retinol blended with hyaluronic acid because as you know that retinol is an ingredient that would exfoliating lift away the dead skin. It's a more powerful ingredient, but sometimes they can dry out your skin. Adding the hyaluronic acid in there will add hydration and lock the moisture in there, so that will help you to reduce any sensitivity in the future. They also blended with a niacinamide. Niacinamide is a great ingredient to strengthen your skin barrier. So I think it's a pretty good combination. I definitely, out of everything, I'm very excited for this and the Blemishin Cleanser. If you want to see my result after using the product for a couple weeks, you definitely want to check out my Instagram. That's where I usually post my review of a product, not on YouTube. Alright, so I hope you like today's video. Share with you the Ipsy Beauty Box. Let me know what you think about the product I get is worth the money or not, and which one of the items that you will personally want to give a try. And at the end, I want to say thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel and support my channel. Now let's check out my own skincare company, Yibu Beauty. Oh, I forgot to mention to you, this holiday season, I have a special discount code for you. If you want to try Yibu Beauty, use discount code YIBU30, YIBU30 at the checkout on our website, yibubeauty.com. You will get 30% off. I'm the founder for Yibu Beauty, and we launched the brand about 4 years ago. I've been using my own product for about 4 years now. Let me tell you, coming out from the luxury skincare for 15 years and using something more, a smaller brand like my own brand, my skin's looking not too bad at all. So I can't wait for you to try out my Yibu Beauty. Also, I want to let you know that every Sunday, either in the morning or the afternoon, I host a skincare masterclass on my Whatnot site. In case you don't know what's Whatnot, Whatnot is a selling platform, and different sellers go on the Whatnot selling different things from clothing, accessory, antique, toys, collectible, beauty product, designer bag, you name it, they have it. So I have an account there. I go there on a regular basis selling Yibu Beauty, so you can definitely check it out. During my skincare masterclass on Sunday, you get to learn how to apply your skincare, and I will show you every step of the way. I also live stream that on my YouTube here, so you can see live on YouTube. So just make sure that check out my YouTube, subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you know the time when I go live and you get to learn. And if you want to participate special deal and amazing giveaway, then you need to scan the QR code on the when you watch the live show, and that will take you to Whatnot. Or go to my description below. I'm going to put a link down below so you can follow me. All right, thank you so much. See you very soon. Bye.
Introducing Yibu Beauty's Enchanted Bloom Facial Treatment Oil, a luxurious custom blend crafted to elevate your skincare routine. This exquisite face oil features a harmonious fusion of natural ingredients designed to brighten, soothe, nourish, and hydrate your skin. Experience the transformative power of nature as you indulge in this enchanting formula, revealing a radiant and revitalized complexion. Embrace the essence of beauty with Yibu's Enchanted Bloom, where nature meets elegance.